Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I've got a short video of me landing and taking off in Malaga airport in Spain. We're currently on the cruise now. I'm just going to put in some random clips in just of the sunset, of the aircraft in general. And then we'll start at the top of the descent, come all the way down. I'll speed it up a bit as well. And we'll do a landing in Malaga and a taxi into the gate as well. Sorry it's in the dark, so it's not the best of views, but I'll try to get some more clips in as this is just a test run as I'm just trying out my GoPro in the flight deck. Hope you guys enjoy and let me know if you want to see any more of these type of videos.
Minimums. $50, $40, $30, $20, $10.